Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Jesse with ASI, your local company, helping you with all your needs low voltage. Today we will be going over adding a login. Adding a login is crucial. Commonly, people can use the same email and password if they're within a family. Sometimes we've seen it for business applications also, but it's important to add a login so you're getting the most benefit out of it and being the most secure, especially if you're using two-factor authentication. For example, if you go to settings, you go to login information, there is an option for login security for two-factor authentication, something very recommended to keep your system secure. As we see here, we can see our trusted devices. We could disable it if we want to, but we recommend you don't. But going back to adding a login. To add a login, you have to be on your website for alarm.com customer website portal. You go to users, and under users, the first thing that pops up is your user codes for a security system and etc. But if you see at the top right here, it says manage logins. If you click there, you're able to see what logins you already have. If you haven't created a login, you'll just see the main login that you're using, a login name, email address, and you have an option for add a login. For example, if we were to click that, it gives us an option for putting in a login address, email address, and it automatically populates for a login name. You could change this as long as it's a valid login name. For example, something like that, and language preference, and then you click save. Once you click save, it gives you options to choose permissions: master control, full control, read only, limited device access, or something custom. And you could choose what access that login has. But if it's somebody that's fully authorized, you can give them full control, and you could just click save, and it will send them an email to their email address, and all they have to do is click get started, and it goes through the process of adding their login to this account. Well, thank you.